How to locate leaks on your waders. Turn your waders out. Hang the waders so they don't touch the ground. Check that they're hanging firmly. Apply water to the waders until damage appears in the suspected leakage area. Mark the damaged area with a marker. Dry the waders and begin the repair process. Repairing a puncture. For the repair, we will need gloves, alcohol, paper towels, masking tape, and a brush. Aquaseal or Aquasure glues allow you to repair a puncture or a cut up to 2 inches long without using a patch. Turn out the waders and tape the repair area with tape. Turn out the waders again. Degrease the repair area with the alcohol. Apply glue to the damaged area. The glue drying time is from 6 to 12 hours depending on humidity. Repairing a tear 2 inches long. Turn the waders out and bring the torn fabric together. Glue the tear with adhesive tape. Turn out the waders again. Degrease the repair area with the alcohol. Apply glue to the damaged area. The glue drying time is from 6 to 12 hours. After the glue dries, the repaired area will be elastic and smooth and will not cause discomfort when wearing the waders. Turn out the waders and remove the scotch and glue residue with a cloth moistened with alcohol. As you can see, using our repair method, the appearance of your waders remains unchanged. If the tear is larger, we recommend additionally sticking a patch on the damaged area. Finntrail, special gear for ATV and UTV riding. Choose your ATV gear on Finntrail.com.